Look at this spectacular 3D star. You can leave it as is or add a hanger. Either way, it's the perfect Ramadan decoration. Let's make it together. We'll need a 30 by 30 centimeter crystal paper. It's shiny, a bit sturdy, and perfect for folding. Start by folding it vertically and horizontally, then unfold. Now fold it diagonally both ways. When you open it up, you'll see a pattern of small triangles. Grab a ruler and mark 6.5 centimeters in the center of each square section. You'll have 4 marks total. Then take your scissors and cut along each mark just like this. Now, start folding each triangle towards the center. This creates bigger triangles. Watch how satisfying this transformation is. Unfold one of the triangles and add some double-sided tape along the edge. Then, overlap it with the next triangle to create a hollow shape. Repeat this for all sections. Now, make another identical shape. Once both are ready, apply glue to the center hollow part and stick them together. Your 3D star is coming to life. And there you have it, the cutest 3D star. Pro tip, glue it step by step instead of all at once. It's much easier to handle that way. It looks amazing. Use it as decor, hang it up, or get creative. Let me know in the comments. How will you use your star? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more DIYs.